welcome back to my channel. I know you're looking at a totally new angle today, and that's because I didn't bring my filming equipment back here, so you have to bear with it. Today's video is going to be about how to make necklaces, and let's get into the video. For the choker necklace, you'll need a string about 4 necks around or your arm's length long. Then fold the string in half and tape it onto the table. Take one string and loop it underneath the other. If you make friendship bracelets, it is like a forwards and backwards knot, but you don't want to make it a knot. Do the same thing to the other side but the opposite way. By the way, you'll need a string called the black stretch cord, but I just used a stretchy string that I found. And one thing you do not want to do is to do it on the same side twice, since it'll look something like this. But don't worry, you just need to pull it out and do it on the other side. If you can find which string you ended on, look for the string that's going straight down and start from there. After you finish, it'll look something like this, and you'll need to tie it up like this or burn the two sides together under an adult's supervision if you're a child. As you can see, I did a very good demonstration here, but you'll need to tug it after to secure it. Lastly, as usual, you need to cut it. For the second necklace, the string has to be around 3.5 necks around. Since it's a 2-in-1 necklace, the first loop will be closer to the neck and the second loop will be further, as shown on my crappy computer drawing. Then cut it. I know you're like it's a 2-in-1 necklace, but you'll get it after. Then I just made a star like so, using the wire. Then cut it when you're done. Then I made a jump ring by wrapping it around a circular object. Then cut it off. Now loop the jump ring through the keychain and set it aside. Now I'm using the wire to make a moon, since moon and star. You get it. Now I just do the same thing to the moon as I did to the star. To finish it up, loop the keychains through the strings, and again tie it up or burn the two sides together under an adult's supervision if you're a child. Here's how it looks finished, and honestly, it's my favorite necklace out of all. The third necklace is also quite unique. For this necklace, you'll need to write your initials in cursive because you want it to stay together. Make sure the letters have at least 2 loops for the keychain to hang. Now, as easy as it seems, just make the jump ring and loop it through the string and you're done. For this type of choker, you'll need a shoelace, that's what I used. Cut it off at a comfortable length, then clip it on with the ribbon crimp end. I know not everyone have this material, but you can still tie it up after. If you are using the ribbon crimp ends, make sure to tug it after. This is to ensure that it wouldn't fall off. If it is not secured, you can still press it down with a hard object. Now I took the lobster clasp and jump ring from a keychain that I had and chained it onto the shoelace. After looping one of the lobster clasps onto one of the jump rings, you can then hook it onto the other jump ring, which creates a full circle. For the charm, I'm using a very cute glass bottle, and I know not everyone has this again, but this applies to all of the DIYs. You can always use something else to replace the fancy things people use. Here I wrote the quote, "Love for Imperfect Things." It's actually a book by Heyman Sunhim. The author is a Korean, that's why the name sounds weird. I started reading this book and it's actually quite good. Here I came up with the idea to spray the bottle with perfume, and yes, it's the same perfume from my last video. I don't know why, but there's somehow always something related to my other videos. As always, it's on the screen right now or in the description box down below. If you did spray perfume like I did, then let it sit for 30 minutes because you don't want the humidity to build up. After that, enclose it like so. After tying the string and hooking the jump ring, you can then connect it to the necklace. I'm sorry about how I ended this, but you get the idea. Gosh guys, I have to tell you, editing this video was a pleasure. I really love how all the necklaces turn out. Okay, I know the lighting is different and that's because I forgot to film the outro, but I hope you enjoyed the video. And please like if you did and subscribe to the button down below if you want to watch my future videos. That's it guys, bye!